Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So from today onwards, I am going to explain the top 150 clinical or interview questions. So those are related to the live project examples. So the first question for today is, so the basic question, who know the R, so they know, but who are new to the R course, so it will, the definitely the question will ask by the interviewer, how to install and load your packages in the R. So first of all, we know, or we should know what is R. R is an open source programming language, so which is used for the statistical computing, data visualization, and data analysis. So it is popular for the data science, machine learning, and researchers due to large ecosystem of packages and community support. So in case of SAS, it has a licensed SAS there, but in case of R, it is a open source, and that is why most of the companies nowadays are interested to use R to reducing their cost. Okay, so whenever you are going to write any programming for any particular projects or ADAM, TLFs or anything, so you need to install the packages. So packages are nothing but already inbuilt most of the programming in that package. We directly use those packages and we can reduce our manual effort to create that analysis. Okay, so in R, before using any specific functionality like plots or any manipulations or any validation or anything, you need to install the packages. So only once per system we have to use. How to write a code, install package, install our packages, and the particular package we have to install. For example, if you want to create some bigger to ggplot or other packages, we can install first. This download packages from CRAN. So maintain all the packages from CRAN, comprehensive or archive network, and install it from your own machine. You do this only one time for your machine. After that one, you have to call that package. Once installed, directly we cannot use. We need to call. So how to call? By using the syntax is library and that particular package which you installed. This makes the packages function is available to the current session, and if you are restart, you must load it again. And here, for example, if you want to create some plots for the clinical use, so we need to install the packages. ggplot2 is the most common packages and most easy packages. We can create n number of the plots by using this one. Install the packages and load the packages, and after that you can write the code like ggplots and most of the data sets ADAE, some syntaxes we need to write to create the plot in our as per the requirement. Second example, if you want to create some ADAM data sets, most popular package is deployer. So here install the package deployer and call that package. And if you want to create some variables or summarize or filter, so you can write the code from the data set. After that one, we can use the data set for the next step. So this is for the QC programming scenario, safety outputs, FDA submission, ISS, any ADAM data set, general packages we use as deployer is the easiest and common using packages. So example three, so Heaven packages. Sometimes if you want to dealing with the SAS data set for the import and read the SAS data set for the R. So generally we use the Heaven packages. Simple syntaxes we use read underscore SAS function is there to load the SAS data set as it is format into our R. So these are the packages. Generally, in case of day-to-day, we are using ggplots for the graphs, deployer for the data manipulations, ADAMS, tidyvar, reshaping the data, Heaven packages to read the SAS data set, read Excel data set, read purpose, survival time to event related analysis. If you want to use the survival package, GT package, and farm hours packages for the SDTM work, we generally use um, in our R sessions. So here why install packages only once? Because it saves in the packages to some our C drive. So always it is C drive in the store. Generally whenever your session is there, you can just call the packages. How to check if the package is installed? Directly you can write installer package is the package name. If it is not, so we'll get an error message like this package was not available. So that time we need to install that package and we can call the library. So if you want more interesting or interview questions, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So in that channel, you can find a lot of SAS questions, interview questions, clinical projects question. So a lot of information is available. Please visit my site. Thanks for watching this video.